mileage at AutoZone.
Whoa, it's coming from like right there.
If your gas
Oh, that's like the best picture
what they used to
so
be.
far.
Maybe you need to replace your spark plugs. Do it now and save at AutoZone. Now you can save it.
And more as they follow their hearts to make their dreams come true. Make a wish and get your tickets today. The enchantment starts at $15 for tickets. Additional fees may apply. See Ticketmaster.com for details. Disney on Ice presents Princess Wishes, playing this week at the Verizon Center. Get your tickets today. Sponsored by Kraft Singles.
We're not going to be able to see it because of the smoke.
On a toughie, eating her curds and whey. Along came a burglar who broke into her home and ransacked the place, making off with several valuable tuffets. Fortunately, Geico had recently helped her with homeowners insurance. She bought full replacement on her tuffets.
Whoa, look at this we're about to enter into.
Zero visibility.
On his face. Call Geico and see how easy it is to switch and save on homeowners insurance.
Oh yeah, you'll be able to tell.
Buy online, over the phone, or at your local office.
Foam unit.
Might be a chemical fire.
That's what it says, it's a foam unit. They're probably like, fuck, this does not look good. They'll earn their money today.
Here comes another one. Oh, it's just a cop. Well, we're still in Prince George's County.
It's just pluming this way. Our car is going up with smoke right now.
Oh, I smell it. Wait. So glad I'm reading this in. Whoa.
Whoa, we're in like a cloud right now.
Oh my god.
We're gonna die in here.
You're gonna die. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in a campfire. There's ash all over the windshield. Is this what the people at like Mount Vesuvius felt like because they got covered by lava and died? Pompeii, sorry.
Probably somebody flicked out a fucking cigarette.
Holy shit!
I don't think that. Wow!
I bet the other side of the road's gonna be closed on our like way home.
Oh my god, that was the
Well, they're all up there. Oh, there's brush fires all over this area.
double fire!
Oh, thank God we got out of that thing.
If we drive back the other way, I want to see it.
The price tag says it's just
David Maryland Burn.
Yeah.
container, selected varieties, and Quaker Instant Oatmeal. The simple nutrition tag says made with whole grain and a good source of fiber. And now,
I hope everyone is
$5 selected varieties. Simple nutrition at Safeway today. You'll find the nutrition and the value only at Safeway. Ingredients for life.
Oh, can I see 5 minutes before we get here?
Touchscreen iPhone 3GS with access to thousands of apps at the click of a finger only from AT&T. Only at AT&T. You can keep applications open in the background now. Organize your apps with the
Guy just turned out right there onto the road.
Ah, bastard.
Why didn't we do that? Shit.
That fire's out of control.
Yeah, but he made it. And we're gonna go 20 miles out of the way now.
Come on, light.